Artificial intelligence, super intelligence, nanotechnology, these are the talks around the world and among the students as well. What to learn, what to study, a lot of confusions, because in this AI era, the students who win are not the one who only study hard. They are the one who build right skills early. So here are 3 things every student must do become future proof, whether you study in your home country or abroad. First, learn sales and communication. I don't mean selling products. I mean learning how to communicate your value, because certificate or your marks can get you shortlisted, but communication gets you selected. If you speak clearly, present yourself confidently, and build relationships, you can open doors, create opportunities, and stand up for yourself anywhere in the world. Number 2, learn to think clearly and use AI inside your profession. Here is the truth. AI is not replacing everyone. It is replacing entry-level tasks, basic repetitive works. So don't run behind random AI tools and forget your real dream. The right strategy is build your main profession first. Doctor, engineer, accountant, designer, anything your dream is. And then learn how AI makes you better in that profession. For example, if you want to become an engineer or CEO, Chief Executive Officer, learn your dream engineer subject properly and get certified. Together, use AI tools to analyze faster, automate reports, and solve business problems better in your dream job. That's how you become irreplaceable. 3, get out from the comfort zone and build resilience. Now look around your community. You will see a pattern. Students who stay in the comfort zone often grow slower, but students who move out for higher studies, especially abroad, grow faster because life forced them to learn money management, communication, networking, job hunting, responsibilities, decision making that build resilience and leadership. And AI cannot replace that, but only if students go with a system, not trial and error method. So my request is very simple. Don't just chase a degree. Build these 3 skills: communication, clear thinking with AI, and resilience. And if you want the right plan from day 1, course, country, skills, and step-by-step system to build your future, click the link below or WhatsApp us your dream. We will book a 15 to 30 minutes clarity call with me, real human, not a robot, and give you a roadmap that fits your goal. If you want results faster, start now. I'm so excited to see you and achieve the journey of your dreams together.